Hi guys, welcome back. It is Maria Gonçalves. I'm an intuitive tarot teacher, and today I am doing the reveal for the Good Tarot. So let's check it out. So we got this beautiful booklet, and just so you guys see the back of it, and inside the box is just pink. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful little book. There you go. And let's see what's inside because I'm always curious about the inside. Okay, so I like that. So we have the card and then the meaning of each of the cards. So it's beautifully done. Absolutely love that. And now let's do the reveal of the tarot cards. Here is your first card, the Fool. And let's look at the back of the card too, because that is stunning. And I will say, I love the quality of the card. So there we go, the Fool, the Magician, oh, the High Priestess. And you'll notice in the corner it has the number of the card. So number 2 is the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor. And just take a moment to, tune into the vibration of this deck because it is such a beautiful vibration for this deck. The Hierophant. Here is this card, Love. So like the traditional lover's card, beautiful. We have the Chariot. We have Strength. Look at how stunning these cards are. We have the Hermit. Beautiful. We have Fortune's Wheel, which is also known as Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. We have Justice. We have the Hanged Man. Transformation, 13th, which is traditionally known as the Death card. That is beautiful. 14, Patience. That is beautiful. So some of the names of the cards have been changed. We have Temptation. We have the Tower card, which honestly is not as spooky as the traditional tarot cards where you see lightning bolts and people falling out of the tower. That's actually quite peaceful, the Tower card. We have the Star card. We have the Moon card. That is just beautiful and stunning. We have the Sun card. We have Call card. So I did check in with the book to make sure I'm saying it correctly. So it is correct. And then we have the World card. Beautiful. And here we go. And now we are into the suits. And here it looks like she's changed the name of the suits. So we have the Page of Air. We have Messenger of Air. We have the Queen of Air. Oh, beautiful. And the King of Air. The Ace of Air. The Two of Air. The Three of Air. The Four of Air. So I have the Five of Air. We have the Six of Air. We have the Seven of Air. We have the Eight of Air. We have the Nine of Air. We have the 10 of Air. And now we're on to the next suit. So before we go off into the next suit, what I'm noticing about this deck is within the elements. So the air traditionally represents the swords within tarot, but she did it with the name of the elements, which is really cool. So we have the page of a fire. So with the fire, the traditional suit would be the wands. So the page of fire. We have the messenger of fire. These are just, they're so beautiful. The queen of fire. The king of fire. The ace of fire. The two of fire. The three of fire. The four of fire. The five of fire. The six of fire. The seven of fire. The eight of fire. The nine of fire. The 10 of fire. And now we're into another suit. So we've got the page of water. So water is associated with the suit of cups. So here we go. So the page of water, the messenger of water, the queen of water, the king of water, the ace of water, the two of water. Look at how stunning these cards are. That was the three of water. Here is the four. And I love the colors. The four of water, the five of water, the six of water, the seven of water, the eight of water, the nine of water, 10 of water, and now we are into the earth element. So earth is the suit of pentacles. So the page of earth, the messenger of earth. So in traditional tarot, messenger would be your knight. So I like that. Here we go. We have the queen of earth, the king of earth, the ace of earth, the two of earth, the three of earth, the four of earth, the five of earth, the six of earth. Is that not stunning? The seven of earth, the eighth of earth, the nine of earth, and the 10 of earth. So know that this is called The Good Tarot. It is by Colette Baron-Reid. It is an absolutely stunning, stunning tarot deck. And if you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments, do you have this deck? And also I want to let you know that starting this year in 2026, I'm offering on Thursdays tarot practice circles. So they're intuitive tarot practice circles. So if you have a deck and you've been wanting to play around with it and you want to go deeper within your cards, just go on over to my website and sign up. And for those of you that have no idea how to play with the tarot, guess what? Starting next month in February, I will be teaching the Intuitive Tarot certification course. And that's for people that don't have any knowledge of tarot or you have very minimal. So come and join us in that course. And that is a couple months. All the information is over on my website. So wishing you guys an awesome day. Don't forget to like and follow. Take care, everybody. Bye.